Ever wondered how to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies? Today, we're going to break down the process into manageable steps. Whether you're an experienced trader or stepping into this digital realm for the first time, this video will illuminate the path. So, buckle up for an exciting journey into the world of digital money. Step 1. Finding the right cryptocurrency exchange. This is your digital gateway into the world of cryptocurrency. It's where you buy, sell, and trade your digital assets. Choosing the right one is a bit like picking a bank. You want it to be reliable, user-friendly, not too heavy on fees, and offering a good variety of cryptocurrencies. Once you've made your choice, you'll need to set up an account, a process that involves verifying your identity, much like creating a profile on a social media site, but with additional security measures. Next, we move on to the thrilling part, buying your first cryptocurrency. Here's how it works. First, you deposit funds into your exchange account, much like topping up your online shopping account. Then you navigate to the market section on your platform, where you'll find a list of available cryptocurrencies, kind of like a digital catalog of money. Choose your desired cryptocurrency, decide how much you want to buy, and confirm your purchase. And voila, you're now a proud owner of cryptocurrency. Now you might be wondering, where do you store your newly acquired digital coins? Enter the world of cryptocurrency wallets. There are software wallets, which are apps on your phone or computer, and hardware wallets, which are physical devices. Software wallets are handy for quick access and transactions, but since they're always connected to the internet, they're not the safest place for storing large amounts. Hardware wallets, on the other hand, store your cryptocurrency offline, making them less vulnerable to online threats. They're like digital safes for your digital treasures. And that brings us to the end of our video to buying and storing cryptocurrency. Remember, like any financial journey, it's essential to do your research and proceed with caution. Keep your private keys private, consider using multi-factor authentication, and stay savvy. Happy trading, and until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of digital currencies.